Instead of jumping from one strategy to another, why not just stick with the basic market structure on Forex? And with market structure, you can make cool money. And I've been using market structure to make package from funds from the market. So it doesn't mean that the more complex a strategy is, the more profitable it is. So learn how to simplify things for yourself and apply. Once you learn how to simplify things for yourself, apply proper risk management and good psychology, you are good to go in Forex. Let me take you to the through the trade I took on gold SAU USD. So on this trade, I caught 1:8 risk to reward ratio. So the first thing I did was to look at the one day, that is daily demand zone. Let's look at the trend of the market from the daily time frame. Then from the trend of the market, you can see from year to year, gold was pushing to the upside, and I realized that yes, there's a break of structure here, and this is the demand zone that led to the break of structure. So after mapping out the demand zone, I waited for price to tap into it. Then moving on to the 4 hour time frame, after price has tapped into it, the next thing I did was to wait for a market structure shift. Then from here, you can see the market structure shift. After getting my market structure shift, I waited for other confluences, which is my liquidity, which are my liquidity and fair value gap. So after getting my liquidity and fair value gap, um I set my limit order here on gold. So after price got here, boom, price starts, my market triggered, and boom, take profit hits. So I did not just take this trading low, I also posted it on my what VIP Signal group. You can look at it here. I also posted it here. So any trade I take, I post on my VIP Signal group. If you want to join my VIP Signal group, you can send me a DM to join my VIP community. Yes, there are profits, there are losses, but the major thing is that our profit is more than the losses. So learn how to simplify things for yourself. If you want mentorship, also I also offer mentorship. So this was how we caught this beautiful risk to reward on good. So thank you for watching this video.